night that we met. Back at the party, you sat on the bed. You said I'm talented, you said I'm next. My only talent is making you stressed. I know that I'm not at my best. Lately I'm feeling like less. I hope that I see you again. If I don't, then I'll lay at the rest. It's crazy how it goes, left me all alone. I've been trying to move on, all I find a hole. Searching for a pot to go, don't know if I'll ever know how she left me with no damn place to go. I'm okay, I'll be fine. I'm just out of my mind. Long nights with no sleep, thinking about you and me. I'm okay, I'll be fine. I'm just out of my mind. Long nights with no sleep, thinking about you and me. Sleep up at your crib, and I ain't paying no rent. We should've just been friends, cause I know that you never meant all the things that you said to me. Froze my heart in uncertainty. Go ahead, hit the club or something. Make sure that you drunk as fuck. Find you another man to love. I'ma show you what you lost. I'ma show you how it feels to realize everything you ever knew and everything you ever had in love is gone. I'm okay, I'll be fine. I'm just out of my mind. Long nights with no sleep, thinking about you and me. I'm okay, I'll be fine. I'm just out of my mind. Long nights with no sleep, thinking about you and me. I guess it's here for real, and if I had another chance, I don't know if I'd take that bet against you with another man. And if I ever saw your face, then I would probably take a glance, but I would never bat an eye because you hate me, that's a fact. I think that this is an epiphany. I don't think you really listening. One day you're gonna be missing me. I swear to God that we'll never be frenemies, y'all. Bitches be trying to be friends with me. I think they stealing my energy and my DMs and they tempting me. I know that you really resenting me now. I'm okay, I'll be fine. I'm just out of my mind. Long nights with no sleep, thinking about you and me. I'm okay, I'll be fine. I'm just out of my mind. Long nights with no sleep, thinking about you and me.
Yeah, fuck the sky, girl, you really a star. Hope you don't try to play with my heart. And I know that she be raw, she don't even know the car. Shawty glowing like the moon, trying to go to Mars. Shawty know I'm spaced out. Now you left, so I'm just counting the days now. I be thinking all the times I had to waste now. Used to be so sweet, I guess I lost all of my taste now. I swear it's cool, cause I just need a little space now. I got problems I can't speak about, and it hurt my heart. Niggas saying I've been flawed, but I've been solid from the start. People switched up and they changed with me. I just play my part. Gotta get all of these rings with me. I'm shooting for the stars. And you told me you were different. I believe you when I'm stupid. Try to fix all of these scars, but I just don't know what I'm doing. Sit back in my chair, reclining. Eyes closed, God knows I'm dying. So I take out the Bible. I know that she been messing with my partner. I know that she be carrying it with the arrow. But it's cool, shawty, that's okay. I gotta go. Fuck the sky, girl, you really a star. Hope you don't try to play with my heart. And I know that she be wrong, she don't even need a car. Shawty glowing like the moon, but really trying to go to Mars. But shawty know I'm spaced out. Now you left, so I'm just counting the days now. I be thinking all the times I had to waste now. Used to be so sweet, I guess I lost all of my taste now. I swear it's cool, cause I just need a little space now. Ooh, girl, I need space now. Cause nowadays I've been spaced out. And I don't care what everybody say. I'ma count this guala every night and every single day. And every single day I'ma tell the world how you the worst and how I felt with Clay. I don't give a damn about no girl and she ain't finna stay. Stay and spend the night, then catch a flight up on my private plane.